and if they drink any deadly thing, it shall not harm them. Now, if this is true, can you drink this poison, a deadly thing? Because according to me, it would surely harm you. But as you are a believer, it should not harm you. Can you prove this to us by drinking it? Anyway, if anything happens, we are not responsible for it.
Yeah. See, it is written in context of people serving the Lord, and there are times, like it happened in China and Russia, people were forced to take poison. In that context, not in the context making fun of God, in that context, you will have the power over these kind of things.
So now I think his faith has gone down. He doesn't want to have the poison. Maybe his faith has gone down. If he had believed, he would have had the poison. His faith has gone down, and I congratulate him. He's coming back to his original faith, that is Islam. And Jesus Christ, peace be upon him.